Look up at the night sky. That faint, milky band is our home, the Milky Way galaxy. It's a swirling spiral of hundreds of billions of stars, including our sun. We think of our galaxy as vast, but in the cosmic ocean, it's just a small village. Far beyond, over 1 billion light-years away lies a true giant, IC 1101. To compare the Milky Way to IC 1101 is like comparing a grain of sand to a desert. Our galaxy spans 100,000 light-years. IC 1101 stretches for 6 million. It could swallow the Milky Way, Andromeda, and the entire local group with room to spare. IC 1101 is estimated to contain over 100 trillion stars, a number almost beyond comprehension. For every star in our galaxy, IC 1101 has hundreds more. It's the largest known galaxy in the observable universe, a cosmic leviathan. Its existence challenges our sense of scale and forces us to ask, how can something so enormous exist? The story of IC 1101 is one of age, violence, and insatiable hunger. As we journey toward this distant giant, we leave behind the familiar spiral arms of our own galaxy. We're heading towards something older, more imposing, a galactic emperor that has grown by devouring everything in its path. Imagine our entire galaxy as a mere speck inside this colossal structure. IC 1101 is not just a galaxy, it's a cosmic conqueror. Its story is both a warning and a wonder. Let's step into the domain of the universe's greatest giant. To find this giant, we travel to the heart of the Abell 2029 cluster, a metropolis of thousands of galaxies bound by gravity. At its center sits IC 1101, the brightest and most massive galaxy in the cluster. Its gravity dominates, pulling other galaxies toward it. The light we see from IC 1101 began its journey over 1 billion years ago. Even then, it was already ancient and immense. Its presence warps space-time, creating a gravitational well nothing nearby can escape. The other galaxies orbit, like courtiers around a monarch, many destined to be consumed. IC 1101 isn't a vibrant spiral, it's a vast, diffuse halo of pale, golden light. This calm is deceptive. It's the rest of a predator after a feast. The galaxy's glow is a ghostly echo of countless collisions and mergers. Streams of gas, dust, and stars flow between cluster members, much of it destined for IC 1101. Its gravitational reach strips material from its neighbors in a slow-motion cosmic feast. This is the power of a central cluster galaxy, a force of nature on a scale that defies imagination. IC 1101 is the undisputed ruler of its domain. IC 1101 is a supergiant elliptical galaxy, fundamentally different from our spiral Milky Way. Imagine a city of stars with no streets or districts, just a massive three-dimensional swarm. Its stars move on random chaotic paths, a clue to its violent history. The color of a galaxy tells its story. The Milky Way glows with young blue stars, but IC 1101 shines yellow, orange, and red. These are the colors of old stars, billions of years old, slowly burning out. IC 1101 is an ancient metropolis, nearly devoid of newborn stars. It's red and dead. The raw material for starbirth is gone. The galaxy is no longer building new stars. Its population is aging. The light of IC 1101 is the golden twilight of a fading empire. What happened to the gas and dust? The answer lies in its violent formation and the monster at its core. Mergers and collisions heated the gas, preventing it from cooling and forming new stars. A powerful engine at the center likely blasted the remaining gas into intergalactic space. The very processes that made IC 1101 so large also sterilized it. The giant, in its fury, ended its own era of creation. How does a galaxy become a 100 trillion star monster? It eats its neighbors. Galactic cannibalism. IC 1101 began as an ordinary galaxy, but its dense birthplace set the stage for its growth. Gravity pulled galaxies together, and the largest began to feed. Over billions of years, IC 1101 merged with dozens, maybe hundreds, of smaller galaxies. These collisions didn't smash stars together, but gravity entangled them, distorting and eventually absorbing the smaller galaxies. Tidal tails, streams of stars and gas, are the scars of these ancient battles. The chaotic orbits of IC 1101 stars are remnants of countless consumed galaxies. Its smooth glow hides a history of cosmic violence and conquest. This process continues today. IC 1101's gravity still draws in neighbors. A vast halo of stars surrounds it, the shredded remains of past victims. It's a galactic graveyard, a testament to insatiable appetite. IC 1101 is not just a galaxy, it's the product of a billion-year feeding frenzy. The ultimate cosmic predator, it has grown by feasting on its own kind. Its story is written in the language of gravity and destruction. The cannibal's hunger shapes the fate of its cluster. At the center of IC 1101 lies an ultramassive black hole, one of the largest ever measured. Our Milky Way's black hole is massive, but IC 1101's central black hole is up to 100 billion times the mass of our Sun. This single object anchors the galaxy, its gravity holding 100 trillion stars in orbit. The black hole grew by feeding on gas, dust, and stars funneled in during each merger. Every galaxy IC 1101 consumed also fed its central monster. In its youth, the black hole blazed as a quasar, blasting jets of energy and heating the galaxy's gas. This feedback sterilized the galaxy, shutting down star formation. Now, the core is quieter, but the sleeping giant remains. The black hole's hunger shaped the fate of IC 1101. At the heart of this silent city of stars, the monster still waits. Galactic cannibalism is a slow-motion feast, unfolding over billions of years. Imagine a smaller galaxy drawn toward IC 1101. At first a gentle tug, then tidal forces stretch and tear it apart. Long streams of stars and gas are ripped away, forming spectacular tidal tails. The smaller galaxy's structure is destroyed, its stars absorbed into the giant's empire. With each pass, more mass is lost, its core stripped bare. Gas and dust are siphoned off, feeding the central black hole or spreading through IC 1101's halo. Eventually, only a dense core remains, destined to be fully assimilated. Astronomers see faint streams and shells of stars, ghostly remains of past meals. Other galaxies are caught in the act, being torn apart right now. It's a live-action cosmic crime scene, evidence written across the sky. For these smaller galaxies, their fate is sealed, their identities erased, lost within the belly of the beast. The cosmic feast continues, reshaping the cluster. Despite its size, IC 1101 is a galaxy in its twilight. Red and dead, its stars are ancient, and new star formation has ceased. The stellar nurseries are gone. The galaxy is a museum of old stars. Without new, hot stars, its light will slowly fade. Red giants will become white dwarfs. Red dwarfs will cool into darkness. Over trillions of years, the galaxy's glow will dim, becoming a shadow. The very mergers that made it massive also sealed its doom. Violent collisions and black hole feedback created an environment hostile to new stars. IC 1101 grew so large, so quickly, it burned itself out. It's a cosmic paradox. The universe's largest galaxy is slowly dying. Its vast halo is a symbol of fading glory, a final fading chorus of conquered stars. The Titan's golden age has passed. Now, it waits as its lights go out. The story of IC 1101 isn't over. Its growth continues, even as star formation is stopped. As the dominant galaxy of Abel 2029, its gravity reigns supreme. Over billions of years it will draw in more galaxies, continuing its cosmic feast. The cluster will consolidate, galaxies merging into the giant. Eventually, IC 1101 could swallow most of the cluster, becoming a single, unimaginably vast galaxy. The Abel 2029 cluster would become one entity, a monument to gravity's power. This final galaxy would be the tomb of thousands of galaxies, a dark monument to a universe running down. Gravity's principle: the rich get richer, the poor get eaten. IC 1101 is the ultimate 1%, growing ever larger, ever dimmer. Its endless hunger will leave it alone in the dark. To contemplate IC 1101 is to be humbled by the scale of the cosmos. Our entire galaxy could be swallowed by this giant without a trace. All our achievements exist on a tiny planet, orbiting an average star in a modest galaxy, a footnote in the story of this behemoth. We are unimaginably small, but there's another way to see it. In all this chaos on our small world, the universe has become aware of itself. We are beings forged from ancient stardust, able to look across 1 billion light-years and tell the story of IC 1101. The universe may be vast and indifferent, but we are not. We are the observers, the storytellers. Our curiosity and resilience give us a unique place in the cosmos. We can look upon the grandeur of a galactic cannibal and feel not just fear, but wonder. In a universe of fading giants, we are the voice that speaks of their glory. Our ability to understand is our own form of cosmic power.